Thank you for visiting West Coast Auto Enthusiast. Today we're featuring a 1998 911 Cabriolet. This is a clean title, clean Carfax car. It was originally a California car. It went to Washington, and our customer bought it out of Washington. So I'm not as familiar with these as I am some of the current stuff, so I'll do my best to go over it. The important stuff is there's absolutely no rust or corrosion anywhere on the car. It's all original. It looks like at some point the hood may have been painted, but all of the other body panels, all meter original paint. There's nothing on it that's been restored or replaced. The top has been replaced, and we think it was done by the previous owner. So it was also, the engine was torn apart. It's got 119,000 miles on it and 117,000 miles. A guy, no, I think it's Elverude, tore this thing apart, and he was the guy that used to build Monty Shelton's engines. He took it apart and rebuilt it, upgraded with the Nicosil components, a bunch of other stuff. I have the receipts for that, and I talk more in detail about the parts components in the the text. So you can see this is it's all single stage paint. Again, it's all original. I've got pictures. All the original VIN tags are in place and intact in the engine compartment. The build sheet is underneath the hood. There are no leaks. It's dry underneath. I've got pictures of the undercarriage. You can see the body is super clean. You can see the top is obviously new. We've unzipped the back window. I'm going to put the top down when I get in it. So the wheels are new Michelins, or the tires are new Michelins. All the wheels are in perfect shape. No blemishes. So you can see body paint wise, super clean. So the paint on the hood reads, I think, between like 4, 6, and 6. The rest of the car is all under 6. There's a little ding here. It looks like it's not a ding actually. It's from the lid being closed on something. It's really the only cosmetic blemish. You can see all the other, like all the trim, all the seals. It's always been garaged. It's always been very well taken care of cosmetically. It was in Park Place for a while. They sold it and they did a bunch of service on it. So all original upholstery. I've got pictures of all the VIN tags. All original interior. All super clean. I've got pictures of these. I mean, everything's in really good shape. Carpet wise, VIN sticker. So all the gauges, everything works. I'll start it real quick so you can see the passenger side door is clean. Passenger side seat is clean. There's no cracks or any imperfections on the dash. Just because it was garaged. So it starts right up. Radio is original Blaupunk, that works. Clock works, odometer, gauges, signals, horn, wipers. So passenger side window, it's fully operational. So it's the driver's side. AC works. What else do I got here? Brights. Let me turn this down. Let me get the top down for you. Come on. So I'll probably put that down and then I'll probably put it back up just to show you that it works. Sorry about that, I took my finger off the switch. So that's completely collapsed there. And then just to show you that it works coming back up with no problems. So all of the top components have been replaced. All the problematic areas. You can see that's all And then it's been, the oil's been changed annually since our customers had it, which I think is about 3 years now. It has really good service history on it. Some of that's documented on the Carfax. Again, we have the records for the stuff that Elverude did. I've got pictures of all the VIN tags. I've got pictures of the engine bay with all the original stickers on it. The build sheet on the hood is there. So again, it's all original, unrestored. I think he had this out in the concourse out at Hillsborough, and it took first in its class. So a really good example of an unrestored, all original 911 of this generation. If you have questions or would like additional information, please feel free to contact us, and we can be reached at 503-227-2354. And thank you for visiting West Coast Auto Enthusiast.